In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the power cleaning of your Epson EcoTank ET 3830 printer. If your printer is not printing in the black color or if not printing in any other color, then you can follow these steps. It will just unclog the print heads and your printer will print like a new. Before you start that, make sure you have enough ink in your printer, at least you have some ink in the ink tank so that it can flush out some ink. Also load the paper in the paper tray. Go to the printer display panel, click on the home button and then look for the maintenance. Scroll down, select power cleaning option. Again scroll down and press OK. Click yes. Here we get a warning message. Just to make sure your printer has at least 30% ink. So printer has enough ink, at least 30% is full. Here you have to confirm and then scroll down and press OK button. Again go down, confirm and press OK. There are 3 such agreements. Here we have to press OK. To start the power cleaning, press and hold the button, OK button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's going to take about 10 minutes and it will dump a lot of ink in the maintenance box. And to check how much ink it is used, we can simply go and check the ink tank first before it starts. So we can see all the markings here. Once it will finish, then we will check the final reading. On the main screen we can see the power cleaning is done. It says print quality will be improved after 12 hours. So press OK. Now click on the home screen and you can start using your printer. If we look at the ink chamber, we can clearly see it has used a lot of ink, especially from the black ink. Maybe that was not working properly. So let's do a printout. So I have a piece of paper, so I'm just going to print on it. So press copy, color and then select it. So hopefully it's going to work normal. So it's good if your printer is not working before, then it will start working. So our printer is working normal and we can start using it after power cleaning. Our power cleaning is done. So this way we can unclog the print heads that are not working normal. If you are not able to do the manual print head cleaning, the power cleaning option is best for you. The only negative thing is like it will take a lot of ink while it's doing the power cleaning. But once it is done, it will start working normally. Thanks for watching.